Hello students, here in this video I'm going to share a very crucial thing. If you want to crack any entrance exam like IIT-jee, NEET, UPSC, then you should be aware about one simple thing. That is called your first step. First step of any entrance exam. Anyone can buy a form of IIT-jee, NEET, but it doesn't mean you can crack this exam. To crack any particular exam, you really need a lot of hard work, persistence, dedication, but one more thing which is very crucial, and that is called reason. If you haven't any strong enough reason why you want to crack this particular exam, then maybe your seat will take someone else. More than 12 lakh students appear every year for IIT-jee exam, and very few seats are available. We know that it is not a sprint, it's a marathon. So you should have one strong enough reason which help you or motivate you throughout a year. And if you have a strong enough reason, then definitely your chances to achieving your goal is prominently very high. That's all for my side, guys. Thank you so much.